How to restore your locked Facebook Marketplace. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different options. Get towards the option of menu. After you land to the menu page, scroll all the way down. At the bottom you'll find this section of help and support. Click on it. Under that you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of report a problem, open it. Now scroll down, click on continue to report. Click on don't include. Choose feature, select the option of marketplace, click on it. With that, you will land to this page. Now from here you can easily report your problem. Over here you will need to describe about your issue. You can type in you haven't violated any guidelines of Facebook Marketplace, but still your marketplace has been blocked. After you type in that, you can send it. Now Facebook support team will get back to you within few days. Then you can have the conversation with Facebook support team, and with that your problem will be fixed. With that your marketplace will be unlocked. So this is how you can easily restore your locked Facebook Marketplace. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.